Panasonic, introducing the future in dishwashers. The model NPTR8 is a high-performance dishwasher from Panasonic with superior washing efficiency that completely cleans dishes with oily residues. It has 3 outstanding features. High-temperature washing. It completely removes even stubborn oily residue hand washing cannot, since it can wash with hot water between 60 and 80 degrees Celsius. Furthermore, the interior stays clean, since it can rinse using 80-degree hot water. High washing power. The interior contains 4 water jets that deliver powerful sprays measuring around 2 meters long and provide complete washing coverage to every corner of the dishwasher. Compact yet high capacity. The 2 racks in the interior can accommodate both dishes and cooking utensils for an entire family, which makes cleaning up after a meal much easier. High temperature washing, high washing power, compact and high capacity. These 3 superior features completely remove oily residue simply and conveniently. Washing power that removes oily residue hand washing cannot. A high capacity that allows for washing kitchen utensils together with dishes. An all-in-one savior for your kitchen with high performance features. The NPTR8 dishwasher from Panasonic, the future of kitchens.
Bosch is the leading dishwasher brand in South Africa. Their dishwashers are German-engineered with technology that will save you time, water, and energy. The benefits of using a dishwasher are immense, from hygienically clean dishes, a massive time saver when compared to washing by hand, but the biggest benefit is on water. You can save up to 30 liters of water on this dishwasher. This particular model is a 13-place Bosch dishwasher that only uses 6.5 liters of water to ensure a full load on the Eco 50 cycle. Now that's what I call economical. It is equipped with 8 programs, one being the automatic program, which detects and measures the degree of dirt in your dishes. And it precisely adapts the amount of water, time, and wash mechanics it needs to ensure a perfect wash result. It also has a 1-hour program, which you can wash your dishes at 65 degrees. This is perfect for soiled dishes, pots, and pans. Apart from the programs, the dishwasher is also equipped with 4 additional options, which you can add to the programs. Eco drying is an option that you can set up on the Eco 50-degree cycle wash, where the door automatically opens up to assist the drying process. Vario Speed Plus can reduce your wash cycle by up to 60% without compromising your wash results. The intensive zone can be activated when you have heavy soiled pots and pans. The water pressure in the spray arms on the bottom increase by 20%, giving you optimal clean results. Hygiene Plus rinses your dishes at a higher temperature. This is great for toddler dishes. And Extra Dry, which will facilitate in the drying process of the dishes. Now let's have a look inside. This dishwasher has a top cutlery drawer that can be adjusted for espresso cups and larger cutlery utensils. The middle drawer is best suited for side plates, mugs, cups and bowls, and is also adjustable to suit the height of your wine glasses and plates, giving you versatility. The bottom drawer is ideal for larger pots and pans and dinner plates, and has drop-down racks, giving you versatility depending on your dishes. Keeping your dishwasher clean is easy with the Machine Care program. Once selected, your dishwasher must be free of dishes and a standard cleaning detergent used. It leaves your dishwasher clean, free of grease and lime scale. This dishwasher also comes with an aqua stop. It is connected to the water supply and gives you peace of mind that the dishwasher won't flood in your kitchen. If you're looking for an innovative dishwasher that gives you perfectly clean dishes while still looking after the environment, visit one of your nearest retailers or visit the Bosch website for more details.
Loading the dishwasher can sometimes feel like a jigsaw puzzle. Trying to load dishware of different sizes and shapes can be a challenge. With LG dishwashers, load the dishes your way. Folding tines let you fit dishes wherever you want, whether it's a pan on the top rack or a bowl on the bottom. With one touch, you can adjust the height of the upper rack to 3 different levels to accommodate taller items on any rack. The height-adjustable third rack gives you more space for hard-to-fit items, from long flatware to small espresso cups. The glide rail keeps the rack on track, so you can load and unload with ease. Enjoy hassle-free loading of all dishware shapes and sizes.
Our dishwashers can get dishes so clean, you can see your next culinary adventure in them. With a single press of a button, your last dinner party disappears. The Pro Wash cycle automatically senses the soil level on your dishes and selects the best cycle. That means 0 guesswork, and that your dishes will shine at your next get-together. Clean water creates clean dishes. Using breakthrough maintenance-free filter technology, our clean water wash system continuously washes the water. This results in better performance under the heaviest loads. Now, the water is spotless before it makes your dishes clean. Dirty dishes have no place to hide with the dynamic wash arm. It's 9 wash arms in one, and its unique design directly sprays water everywhere in the dishwasher, providing more than 3 times the coverage. Now you can put plates in the corner with confidence. The advanced Pro Dry system completes the cycle with dishes so dry, they're ready for your next creation. Our industry-first system delivers the best drying performance using a fan that circulates the air from a recessed heating element without extending the length of the cycle. Now you can go from the dishwasher to the table. What comes out of our dishwashers? A blank canvas for your next party, get-together, or gathering. This is how KitchenAid cleans.